Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zach and today I want to look at some stuff that's been coming up with Bitcoin today over the past 24 hours roughly. We've got quite a few things to talk about regarding Bitcoin and some other crypto news. So let's jump straight into it. Bitcoin, other cryptos also fall after Weibo blocks rekindle fears of China crackdown. Now, of course, this has been quite a worry and a concern within the crypto community recently, especially with the Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin and other cryptos fell Saturday morning after a large number of crypto key opinion leaders on Weibo were blocked, a move some are viewing as signs of a further crackdown on crypto by China's government. According to a Twitter post by Chinese crypto journalist Colin Wu, accounts not involved in ads of exchanges have not been blocked. Still, reports of the block, which hit around 5:30 ET, triggered a simultaneous drop in the price of most major cryptocurrencies. The drop you see in the following 12-hour price chart of Bitcoin starting at the time was repeated again and again throughout the market. The blockings have been independently verified by CoinDesk, according to a tweet by Doby Wan, founding partner of crypto asset holding company Primitive Ventures. The blocked accounts are a mix of influencers, media outlets, miners, and wallets. We're actually going to have a look at that as well. This time is much more widely cleansing. It seems like many industry players like wallets, individual influencers, media outlet, top traders, and even meme accounts are all shut. The blocking of the accounts is rekindling fears of a crackdown on crypto in China, concerns that have been weighing on the market over the past several weeks. In recent trading, the price of every member of the CoinDesk 20, with the obvious exception of stablecoin USDC, is down over the last 24 hours, ranging from the Yuan's Finance 1.59% drop to New Cypher's 15.9% plunge. And if we have a look at this right here, we see this is a full list of crypto accounts that have been shut down today. A mix of influencers, two traders, miners, media outlets, and wallets. Mine is still working. Not sure what's coming next though. I have heard lots of rumors floating, staying strong. This is not a full list of some notable ones. Exchange Weibo accounts have been shut down long ago. This time is much more widely cleansing, like many industry players like wallets, etc. Obviously scary stuff. Okay, moving forward, then we have Bitcoin is heading to the moon, and for once it's meant literally courtesy of BitMEX. This was honestly just a fun story I want to go over. Insert coin name, of course, is going to the moon. It's often said by people trying to get prices of their favorite crypto into figurative outer space. Has become hackneyed lately. However, the phrase has taken on a more literal meaning. In early May, it was announced SpaceX, of course, will launch the Doge 1 mission to the moon early next year with the Elon Musk helmed company, accepting the meme inspired crypto as payment. Of course, who knows if that will change knowing Elon. Then this past Thursday, SpaceX launched an Ethereum node to the International Space Station, the first time such a node has been put into space. Docking occurred Saturday. BitMEX, however, has taken it even further, targeting one large step for Bitcoin. The crypto exchange recently announced plans to deposit a physical wallet containing a single Bitcoin on the surface of the moon. The wallet will be in the form of a commemorative coin. To do this, BitMEX is helping to fund space robotics company Astrobotics' efforts to put its Peregrine commercial lander on the moon. That landing is scheduled for Q4, just ahead of Doge 1 mission to the moon. A fact BitMEX was happy to point out. One Dogecoin protagonist, EV car innovator, space enthusiast, recently laid down the gauntlet in saying he plans to, of course we're talking about Elon, we've nothing against dog money, we felt it was only right to help Bitcoin get there first. That's some dark side of the moon type stuff there, right there. So what are your thoughts on this? I just thought I'd show it to you. Okay, moving on. So now we have Texas Gov signs law creating legal framework for crypto investments. So Greg Abbott Friday signed into a law a measure creating a legal framework for cryptocurrencies and blockchain in the hopes of making the state a magnet for the industry the way Wyoming has become, and what Miami Mayor Francis Suarez is trying to do with that with the city. The new law amends to the state's Uniform Commercial Code to better adopt commercial law to blockchain and digital assets, formally defines virtual currencies, and offers individuals and businesses a legal environment for crypto investment. According to a National Law Review, about 25 states are considering blockchain and or digital asset related measures in the 2021 legislative sessions. Now, this obviously is a big deal, and obviously there's a lot of sort of concern and worry about regulation, but hopefully so long as I suppose the conversation is met with regulators and stuff, hopefully things will go well, basically, because you know they can't really regulate it fully, but they can tax the hell out of it. Okay, moving forward. And this isn't necessarily Bitcoin specifically, but Africa is leading global crypto adoption, says the Paxful CEO. Everyone should have all eyes on Africa right now, said Ray Youssef, CEO of peer-to-peer lending platform Paxful during CoinDesk First Mover show on Friday. Youssef said the number of transactions on Paxful in Africa, combined with Google searches primarily from Nigeria, reflect the tremendous momentum around crypto adoption, Africa's leading in global cryptocurrency adoption. According to data shared with CoinDesk, Nigeria is Paxful's biggest market to date, with around 1.5 million users and $1.5 billion in trade volume, thanks to Nigeria's tricky exchange rate policy, inflation, and large number of unbanked adults. Crypto like Bitcoin are increasingly used as an alternative store of value. Earlier this year, the CBN ordered local banking institutions to identify and shut down any accounts tied to crypto platforms. The order was met with a swift backlash, and the CBN has somewhat eased its position then, because these are the things that we get worried about sometimes. However, Nigerian users quickly switched to trading on peer-to-peer platforms like Paxful to avoid interacting with local banks. This is just the harbinger of things to come. We're only starting to see what Africa is capable of, referring to how young Nigerians have built their own alternative financial networks. It's amazing. Youssef added that in addition to leading markets like Nigeria, new markets are blowing up every day. He expects Cameroon and Ethiopia to be strong contenders for emerging crypto markets in the next few years. A representative of Paxful told CoinDesk the platform expects to see 120% growth in users and 142% growth in trading volumes this year based on linear projections from 2020. The company also expects to see 72% growth in users and 84% growth in trading volumes in Ghana. People ask me why I'm so crazy about Africa. Well, the reason is I've been there, I've met the people, I've seen the problems that they have, and it makes perfect sense once you're there. Very, very exciting. Now, obviously we're going to be looking at more of this stuff over time, but I found quite a few interesting articles here. Wanted to go over them. We're also now going to be looking next up at NFT stuff, but that's going to be on another video. I thought I'd show you all this. Let me know what your thoughts are on Bitcoin at the moment. Actually, real quick, let's have a quick look at the coin market cap stuff for Bitcoin, just to see where things are right now. So currently the price is 35,832 cents, and the low of 35,466, and a high of 37,917 over the past 24 hours. What are your thoughts on Bitcoin? As per usual, not financial advice, but definitely interesting to say the least. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Before we do actually say that, I also want to say that I have been tweeting a lot about crypto stuff recently. We've been looking at ECOMI, we've been looking at ECOMI, Web3, we're looking at NFTs. So if you want to follow me for all the updates on everything going on at ZakiZoo, we're about to hit 2,000 followers. Much appreciated. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.